So in this video I'm going to be going over the viewers in Davinci Resolve, what they are, all of the awesome things about them, and how you can utilize them inside of your own video editing workflow. So we're jumping straight into Davinci Resolve into the Edit tab, and I've just gone and dragged in some footage here, and straight away you can see the shot that you're looking at. This is the viewing panel, the playback panel, and there's a couple of ways that we can go about this. So basically this panel here is where you're going to have a real-time live playback of whatever you're playing. So at the moment, just as an example, I've got this clip here selected. As you can see, I can scrub through it. So if I double click, I can actually play through what's in the media pool as to whatever I've got selected. So this will allow you to be able to preview some of your clips in your media pool before you bring them into your timeline. And so now I've got the clip down in my timeline. Our playback viewer is now playing from the timeline. And then if you'll notice, I'll go back to the media pool, and again now it's playing the media, and now it's playing the timeline. So it auto switches, but there is a little bit of a trick that you can use in order to get both of them at the same time. Now normally in Davinci Resolve, up in this area, there's a little viewer icon and it's split on two sides. I don't know where it's gone on my one. Just a quick interlude. As I was editing this video, I actually found that I did find the where you can toggle the viewer between dual and single, and it's only when you're in your dual display inside of the workflow. But you can basically toggle that on and off, and it splits so that you've got your timeline preview on one side and your media preview on the other, which means that you can be editing all of this and then get your media. The way that you can get this is you can close your inspector tab, and now that's going to give you your media on one side. So media on one side and timeline editing on the other. These viewers are purely so that you can watch through your footage, so that you can see what's playing, edits you're making, how things are actually going to look. So yes, you've got one side for your media, one side for your timeline. So hopefully that explains everything easily enough so that you understand. Now if you've been looking for really high quality sound effects to use in your edits just to make them completely level up, I've gone and put together an absolutely free sound effects pack of my top 10 favorite sound effects, which you can go and download. Link is in the description, or you can find it in my channel bio. Go make sure to grab those. I don't know how long they'll be out for, but they're completely free, so take full advantage of that. Other than that, as always, make sure to let me know in the comments below which tip you found the most useful, and yeah, like and subscribe. And over here you're going to learn everything about the toolbar buttons on the timeline.